Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an invisible effect. We'll start by exploring the fundamental principles of light and perception. Then, we'll delve into the science behind bending light and manipulating its path. Finally, I'll guide you through various methods, from advanced technology to simple optical illusions, that create the illusion of invisibility. Get ready to uncover the secrets of disappearing acts. Let's dive into the fascinating world of cloaking devices and metamaterials. These engineered materials can steer light waves, making objects appear to vanish. Imagine light flowing around an object, much like water around a rock, without touching it. While still largely experimental, the potential for these technologies, which often involve structures smaller than 100 nanometers, is truly groundbreaking. Beyond advanced science, many invisibility effects rely on clever optical illusions and practical techniques. Think about the classic Pepper's ghost effect, which uses reflections to make figures appear and disappear. Green screens, or chroma keying, are another common method, allowing filmmakers to replace a specific color with any background, creating the illusion of invisibility or seamless integration into a scene. The future of invisibility technology holds immense possibilities, from military applications like stealth vehicles to medical uses, such as making surgical tools transparent. Researchers are actively developing active camouflage systems that could adapt to surroundings in real time. However, as this technology advances, we must also consider the ethical implications and societal impact of widespread invisibility. It's a truly exciting and complex frontier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.